Time for another quick guide, and this time we'll show you how to download and install the TikTok Lite app on an Android phone. So as always, make sure you're connected to the internet or have data available. Start by opening up the Play Store app. Click on the search button at the bottom, then tap inside the search bar at the top. When the keyboard appears, type in TikTok Lite. Click on TikTok Lite. Now click on the blue install button. That will now start downloading to your phone. Once the download's complete, it will start installing. Once the app's downloaded, you can either open it straight up by clicking the blue open button, or you can come back out of the Play Store and scroll through your app icons and see that TikTok Lite has been installed, and you can now click on that to open it up. And that's how you download and install TikTok Lite on an Android phone.